Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Kickstart. If you're exploring cryptocurrency exchanges and considering Bybit, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a detailed review of Bybit, covering everything from features to trading fees and how to get started with the Bybit referral code 82500. So, let's dive right in. Bybit is one of the leading crypto exchanges, offering a wide range of cryptocurrencies and trading options. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, Bybit has something to offer. By using the referral code 82500 when you sign up, you can access some fantastic bonuses. Let's talk about what makes Bybit a great choice for crypto trading. Bybit was founded in 2018 and has quickly grown into a significant player in the crypto exchange market. With millions of users worldwide, Bybit provides a robust platform for trading, investing, and earning in the crypto space. Bybit boasts a user-friendly trading interface that caters to both beginners and seasoned traders. Here are some key features. Wide range of cryptocurrencies. Bybit supports a variety of cryptocurrency pairs, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many more. Real-time charting offers advanced real-time charting tools for traders. Futures trading provides up to 100x leverage for futures trading. Margin trading, available with both isolated and cross-margin modes. Multiple order types includes market, limit, and conditional orders. Copy trading allows you to follow and copy the trades of experienced traders. Launchpad, participate in pre-listing investments for new projects. Getting started with Bybit is easy. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Visit the Bybit website. Open your browser and go to bybit.com. 2. Sign up. Click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. 3. Fill in your details. Enter your email, create a password, and fill in other required information. 4. Enter the referral code 82500. During the sign-up process, make sure to enter 82500 in the designated field to claim your bonuses. 5. Complete registration. Follow the prompts to complete your registration, and you're all set. Using the code 82500 is key to unlocking those referral benefits. Once you've signed up, you need to verify your identity. Here's how. 1. Log into your Bybit account. 2. Go to Profile Identification. Click on Complete Now on the pop-up. 3. Confirm your country. Make sure it matches your ID. 4. Fill in personal details. Enter your information and click Continue. 5. Verify your ID. Upload the required documents and provide a selfie. 6. Complete facial recognition using your device's camera. 7. Wait for approval. Bybit will notify you via email once your verification is complete. This process ensures the security of your account and allows you to access all the features of Bybit. Understanding the fee structure is crucial for any trader. Here's a breakdown: maker and taker fees. Bybit operates on a maker and taker fee model, where makers, those who add liquidity to the market, and takers, those who remove liquidity, are charged different fees. Fee levels. Fees vary based on your trading volume and can range from 0.025% for makers to 0.075% for takers. Deposit and withdrawal fees. These fees depend on the currency and method used. Bybit takes security seriously. They employ advanced security features including cold storage. The majority of user funds are stored in cold wallets, which are not connected to the internet. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to user accounts. Real-time monitoring, continuous monitoring to detect and prevent suspicious activities. Trading on Bybit is straightforward. Here's a quick guide. Log in. Access your Bybit account. Navigate to the trading page. Choose the market you want to trade in. Place your order. Select the type of order, market limit or conditional, and enter the details. Execute. Confirm and execute your trade. Bybit offers robust customer support, including 24/7 live chat for immediate assistance, email support for more detailed inquiries, educational resources, guides, tutorials, and FAQs to help users navigate the platform. Let's summarize the pros and cons. Pros: wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, user-friendly interface, advanced security features, and educational resources. Cons: some users may find the trading fees higher compared to other platforms. Alright, that's it for today's video. Bybit offers a comprehensive trading experience with numerous features to enhance your crypto journey. Remember to use the referral code 82500 when you sign up to enjoy some great bonuses. Don't forget to subscribe to Crypto Kickstart for more crypto tips and guides. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Happy trading. See you in the next video. Bye.